Hi, here we are for a nice day getaway. 314 kilometres north of Melbourne we find Lake Tyrrell. The closest city is 7 kilometres, which is called Sea Lake. Here, we are now on the viewing platform, which is the first thing you'll see as you come in. But as we go further down, you can drive further down, which I'm about to do now, and let's explore a little bit further. The meaning of the word Tyrrell means sky. It covers about 208 square kilometres and it's about 120,000 years old. After rain or during winter, when a thin layer of water covers the salt crust, the lake becomes famous for its incredible mirror-like reflections, making it one of Australia's premier landscape photography locations. More than 100,000 tonnes of salt are harvested from the lake each year by the nearby Cheetham Salt Corporation. It is also an astrophotography hotspot. Thanks to its very dark skies and flat horizon, Lake Tyrrell is one of Victoria's best places to photograph the Milky Way, meteor showers and even the Aurora Australis when conditions are right. And despite the harsh environment, you'll often see emus, kangaroos and reptiles and thousands of gulls nesting on the lake's islands. Sea Lake is part of Victoria's famous silo art trail, featuring this massive mural celebrating local farming life and the surrounding environment. Also a tiny town with a big reputation, it has a population of around 620 people, yet it attracts thousands of visitors each year thanks to the nearby Lake Tyrrell and beautiful landscapes. So what a spectacular, this is uncovered. This lake, I'd never heard of this place, just a random Google search. So absolutely beautiful. You can see the red, wow, the mirror, it's a large mirror lake. It actually reminds me of the Uyuni salt flats up in Bolivia. Absolutely beautiful. Really recommend come out here for a day or just stay a night.